Hi everybody, Mark Wild, CEO of Crossrail here, and I'm very pleased to give you one of our regular updates on the progress of the programme as we strive to open the Elizabeth line. I'm standing here in Farringdon Station, which became the first of our major central London stations to be handed over to London Underground on the 5th of March. It's a fantastic achievement by the Farringdon team, and it will be the first of many, we hope, over the summer and autumn months. Next one up will be Tottenham Court Road in May. Now that typifies the very strong progress of this project and programme has made since Christmas. We've continued the momentum that we've demonstrated up to this point. We've stayed safe, managed our COVID compliance really well, and we're in a strong position as we come to the final lap to open the Elizabeth line. One of the main efforts at the moment on this programme is to get ready for trial running. We are in the countdown process to that very important milestone. At that point, two important things happen. Firstly, we start the very rigorous shakedown and reliability growth period of building up the train service in the testing into the full timetable. So we shake all of the bugs out of this very, very comprehensive and complex system that we've built. The second thing that happens at the start of trial running is that the infrastructure maintainer, TfL, the maintenance crews who will actually be the long-term maintenance people for this immense railway, step up, and this becomes a railway between Paddington and Abbey Wood. Those two things come together in what we call the start of trial running, and we are certainly very close now. Many hours of work are going on in safety assurance, diligently dotting every I and crossing every T to make sure that when the transition happens, a seminal moment in the creation of the Elizabeth line that is safe for everybody, which of course is our most important priority on the whole programme. When we're in trial running, one of the most important things that happens is that we transition the rule books and legislation from the construction world that we currently exist in into the railway world, and we are training many thousands of people in that transition. It's very important that everybody understands the transition from construction to railways, and that's one of the main efforts that's going on at the moment. There's lots of work going on the surface stations as well. Stations like HANWELL, a great and historic Grade 2 railway station, of course, is completely restored and refurbished. It looks absolutely fantastic, but importantly, it becomes step-free, like all of our stations on the Elizabeth line. And also the 9-car full-length units that now go all the way out to Reading and Heathrow. Further improvements have been made to their reliability, and we're very pleased with the progress, and I'm sure customers are enjoying that service. So all hands on pump at the moment in Crossrail to get stations finished, like this one that I'm standing here in Farringdon, and also preparations for the start of trial running, which will be a seminal moment as we progress towards the next phase, which is trial operations. So everybody can be reassured we're trying our very best to get this line open as fast as we can. Our current opening date is the first half of 2022, and of course we will do our very best to get it open at the earliest possibility in that window that we can. Thank you everybody, and thank you for your continued patience and support.